Sige, takot ko. Isa pa. Yung, kita. Instructions so paano mag-open. Uy, sapatos mo from outside. So, rinse natin ang shoes. Nice cozy home.
Oh, dyan ako sa labas pag video.
Hindi, okay lang. May cabinet, ito window, bed, may tissues, then washing machine, TV, siguro intercom to, I don't know. Cleaning supplies, garbage, my hair dryer, ito yung lavatory, sink. Then, dito naman, merong lutuan. So, electric stove, my fridge, cleaning supplies, sink. Malamig. Then, merong plates, glasses, rice cooker, then utensils, water kettle, kitchen towel, then microwave. Time, clock. So, ito yung overall look nung maliit na stay. Then dito, palabas pala siya. So, ito yung toilet. And, so, may dalawang tissue na kasama. Ayan pa pala. So, bali tatlo. May towel. Then, maliit na shower. Tapos, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Malinis naman. Maliit pero malinis. Ito yung door. Tingnan natin yung storage area. May aircon pala, oh. Oh, malaking storage nila. Okay, so yung futon, then hanger, may plancha din to, no? So ayun, ito pala may plancha din. So mga bed sheets, ayun. So far ito na yun. Magkano makuha mo dito? 28 for 8 days. Not bad na, malinis naman. Tsaka malapit siya sa Skytree. So ayun, sa Airbnb lang namin nakuha.